In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Pandadoc for NDIA. To get started, log in to Pandadoc and go to the main documents area. This is where you create, manage, and send files for signature. Once you are on the documents page, look for the option to create something new. Click the plus create button and then choose templates. Using a template is the fastest way to produce a clean, professional NDIA without building the document from scratch. Next, use the search bar inside the template section and type NDIA. Pandadoc will show matching template options. Take a moment to select the template that best fits your use case. When you are ready, choose the option that says Use this template. This will open a new document draft based on that NDIA template, so you can customize it before sending. Now focus on the key details that must be accurate for an NDIA. Update the effective date first, since this is the date the agreement becomes active. Make sure it reflects what you intend, because it often affects how long the confidentiality lasts. After that, update the disclosing party. This is the person or organization sharing confidential information. Enter the correct legal name to avoid confusion later. Then click into the recipient names area. This is where you confirm who will receive and sign the NDIA. Check spelling and formatting carefully. A small typo in a name can cause problems for record keeping and can slow down signing. Before sending, scroll toward the end of the document and adjust the signature area. Drag the signature block and the date block down to the bottom. Keeping signature fields at the end is a common best practice. It also makes the signing process feel more natural and prevents fields from being missed. Finally, add your recipients. Make sure each signer is assigned correctly, especially if there is more than one recipient. Once the recipients are added and everything looks correct, click Send. If Pandadoc gives you a final review screen, use it to double-check names, dates, and signature placement. Then send the document out for signature. That covers everything you need to know.